Welcome to the PharmaSource podcast.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the latest edition of the PharmaSource podcast. I am very pleased today to be joined by Jim Lee, who's president of BioDuro. Jim, a very warm welcome to the PharmaSource podcast. Looking forward to hearing from you today. Tell us a bit about yourself to get us started.
Yeah, thanks very much, Chris. Really appreciate the opportunity to speaking to you. I'm a chemist by training, and my first job was working as process chemist at Henkel, a German company. In year 2000, I switched my career go into pharmaceutical industry by joining Wyeth, then Pfizer, and stayed on in the industry for more than 20 years. In 2012, I had opportunity to go back to China and join BioDuro and help the build up and manage of CMC business of the company.
Great, thank you very much. Jim, tell us a bit more about what differentiates BioDuro as a CDMO in today's market, particularly thinking about therapeutic focus, technical capabilities. What's the differentiators?
That's a good question. Yes, well, BioDuro is a little different from a regular CDMO because we offer full services from drug discovery to development all the way to manufacturing. As you know, typical CMO or CDMO, they only focus on the manufacturing part. And by seamlessly integration from discovery through development and manufacturing, we get contact to client very early on. And that's one thing that differentiates us from other CDMOs. And next is we are actually a US-owned company, 100% US-owned, CRDMO, with some operation like drug discovery, early drug development done in China. And this global, also we have actually drug product manufacturing in Irvine, California, US. We are headquartered in Irvine, California, so we are US company. This is a global footprint to allow us to utilize the efficiency and speed, flexibility to offer to our clients. And the third, our therapeutic expertise spans small molecules, XDCs, peptide, oligonucleotide, and where we see a surge in the demand. We have built a bespoke platform to support these modalities, and our client value our integrated model of service, simplify their journey from hit to clinic. And the last one is customer often tell us that our integrated drug discovery, IDD, and IND labeling package work better than standalone business. Smooth operation, involvement of multi-functions, medchem, biology, DMPK, CMC, lead to more efficient and synergetic results.
Jim, altering the focus a little bit and thinking about, your headquarters in Irvine, California, etc. How are you impacted by the Biosecure Act? There's a lot going on at the moment, but how does that impact you, particularly from a supply chain perspective?
Yeah, actually, that's a good question. We are currently facing this issue for BioDuro Sandia. We are 100% US-owned company, headquartered in Irvine. And our drug product clinical stage, commercial stage manufacturing are located in US. That's final dosage form. Like many other global CDMOs, we provide flexibility and de-risk from a geopolitical standpoint. Also, we continue to invest and expand in our capabilities and the capacities outside China, offering more options to our global customers. We are proactively managing this environment and remain fully compliant with current and proposed regulatory frameworks.
Got it. The base in Irvine, California obviously allows you a solid platform in that regard. That's good to hear. Thank you. What about client partnerships? How do you, as a business at BioDuro, how do you ensure project success and how do you manage client partnerships, especially from thinking about the initial engagement, as you've mentioned, right at the start of the cycle, right the way through to tech transfer?
Yeah, it really depends on how what the stage the customer's program is in as we engage in them. For example, for startups and biotech companies, they are we often engage them very early, sometimes way before manufacturing even enter the picture. We offer IDD, integrated drug discovery, and IND program to these customers and build a strong relationship. And then this will naturally transfer the project as it grows into CMC and manufacturing. For some larger project that's already in the stage of manufacturing or prior to manufacturing, we have standard procedure to study the feasibility of the project. And our scientists will stay with the project throughout the manufacturing process to ensure that all the technical issues can be solved on site. And our goal is to more than a service provider. We aim to be a strategic partner that grow with our clients from bench to bedside.
The point about your scientists staying involved in the process right the way through, you found that to be a really important part of maintaining and enhancing those relationships. Is that right?
Yes, because during the manufacturing process with a different scale, you always see new issues associated with the process of manufacturing. So our scientists who did the development will stay with the project throughout the manufacturing to solve the issues immediately to ensure the quality of our job.
Thank you. Thinking a little bit more about areas of investment, what digital or operational strategies are you using to improve project visibility and transparency for sponsors?
We invested in digital technology. For example, for the biotechs and the customers, we offer electronic lab notebook, or short for ELN, to our customers. With the bigger pharma clients, they tend to use their own software system, and we just pay for them and using them. For the smaller biotech or startup companies, actually, we offer electronic lab notebook system to them. They can choose. This way, really provide a real-time tracking for our customers so they can see even every day what experiment you did, what the reagent that you used, and what's the results, what's the NMR spectrum, what the GCMS spectrum look like. So they got a real-time access to those information. This is really help our customers in the efficient communication, so they know what we're doing on time. And we also offer client a digital compound management system because we have large number of FTEs. They're making compounds every day. So many clients accumulate large amount of compounds. We offer the digital management system for those compounds, so client can see in real time, checking where this compound are, how much and when shipped to some other places, and how much remain in the inventory. So they have a real-time management of their own samples stored in BioDuro Sandia. We also strengthen our IP platform through investment in IT infrastructure because IP protection is our most important thing to survive.
Of course.
It's a very our highest priority to protect clients' IP. And also we're exploring AI-driven workflow to accelerate molecular design and also virtual screening of biological assays that will help predict manufacturability, particularly for ADC and peptide type of molecules.
Well, there's certainly a lot going on there, Jim, from, as you've said, your differing approach, I guess, to some of the big pharma companies and also the emerging biotechs, right the way through to the AI piece around workflows, etc. So obviously a lot of investment and focus going on in that area. What about capacity? This is normally a very important theme for CDMO businesses, and obviously it's normally a key conversation between CDMOs and their clients. How do you handle capacity management, and particularly thinking about the balance between existing long-standing clients and those new clients and new opportunities that you're seeking to win?
Yeah, we are actually, BioDuro was financially owned by Advent International, a leading PE company worldwide. They have a deep pocket of, of money. And so we continue to invest more in capacity and empower more clients. We have 1,500 plus active customers. We have a team of more than 2,000 experienced scientists across China and the US. We are still expanding. Whenever we see the future need, we immediately start invest in that area. For manufacturing, we just announced a new site opened in Bengbu City outside Shanghai for drug substance commercial manufacturing, featuring a large capacity of 130,000 liters total reactor volume to support manufacturing needs at any stage. So we currently do not have a capacity issue with us.
Which is not an easy balance to achieve. So congratulations with that. And also obviously for the new site in Bengbu as well. How do you manage costs and ensure optimum value for clients?
That's a good question. And it's really important to be competitive. In the manufacturing CDMO area, solvents and raw material costs are always top of top of mind. We focus on recovery, recycling, and also through vendor management to reduce material cost. And of course, most of the time we pass the cost to our customers. And speed is often more valuable than price. Our integrated model, such as IDD, IND, streamline the process among the different functional areas, reducing technology transfer and the material transfer cost and the time. So to accelerate the progress of the program, delivering value beyond just pricing. So that's actually our strength of offering integrated service. And it's also one of our differentiation from our competitors.
Yeah, that's a very interesting perspective, looking at the balance, I guess, between speed and price, and how those different value indicators compare. Thank you. What about ESG and sustainability? How much is BioDuro doing in this space?
ESG is a core on how we operate at BioDuro. We earned a gold EcoVadis rating in 2024 last year, and placed us among top 3% in the industry, recognizing our efforts in sustainability, ethics, and responsible sourcing. And also we applied green chemistry principle across our CMC operations, focus on solvent recovery, waste reduction, and efficient process design. And this help our clients hit their Scope 3 emission targets. And three, culturally, we value diversity and inclusion across our global teams. For example, we have more than 50% female scientists and 40% female director levels at BioDuro. It's a part of what makes us collaborative, agile, and aligned with the value of biotech and the pharma partner we support.
Well, there's obviously a lot going on in that area and a lot to congratulate you on, particularly that, the points around the work you're doing across your CMC operations and how that's helping your clients hit their scope 3 targets, and also the stats on diversity and inclusion are very impressive. Jim, thank you. Final question, and obviously an important one. You've achieved an awful lot to date as a business. Where is BioDuro headed over the next 3 to 5 years? What's that long-term roadmap look like?
Actually, first, we continue to invest in high demand areas like XDCs, GLP-1s, peptide or oligonucleotide, include in chemistry, biology, PK capabilities. That's part of our drug discovery effort. And second, we will increase our investment in AI. We see the trend that AI will heavily influence future chemistry demand and also biological assay demand in the discovery area. So we will use AI in our IDD program to assist drug design and virtual compound screening. This is going to be the trend. We are well prepared for that. So in the next 3 to 5 years, we will increase in that area, investment in that area. The last is as a U.S. company with some operations in China, we will continue expanding our footprint globally outside China. Actually, we are actively searching for sites outside China, maybe in Europe or North America, to become most trusted full-service U.S. headquartered CRDMO. That's our vision, with a de-risk global operations and integrated, customized platform that adapt to the changing needs of drug innovations.
Jim, thank you. It's a very clear vision, both in terms of your continued investment in high demand areas, some that you're already focusing on and some new, and also the global footprint, etc. So it's a very clear vision, and congratulations on everything you've achieved to date, and also best of luck with that vision over the next 3 to 5 years. Jim, it's been a real pleasure speaking today, and obviously we look forward to hearing more at CDMO Live in weeks to come. Thank you very, very much for your time today, and we'll speak again soon.
Thank you very much, Chris. Really appreciate your help. Thank you.
Thank you.
Experience the future of contract manufacturing at CDMO Live 2025. Join us at the World Trade Center Rotterdam on May the 7th and 8th, 2025 for an exclusive event that brings together the sharpest minds in biopharma outsourcing. For 2 days filled with market insights, best practices and partnering. So head to cdmolive.com to download the agenda and to book your ticket.